Hi, welcome back to the Solana for Developers YouTube series. This week we're taking a break from our usual content because I'm traveling to Lisbon, Portugal to attend the Solana Lisbon Breakpoint conference. If you'd like to learn more about this conference, I've put a link in the description below. Furthermore, I am honored to be joined by my friend Sam Peurifoy, who is an up-and-coming connoisseur of the blockchain gaming industry. Hi, Sam.
Hey Nick, thanks for having me here. It's an honor to join you.
Well, so Sam, today I just have a question for you, which I think is particularly relevant to my audience. So, as you know, becoming a blockchain engineer is a very difficult process. However, can you help explain why it's worth it? Why should people take the time to learn the skills which are necessary to become a blockchain engineer? In particular, how can they use those skills to have a meaningful impact on the world?
Yeah, I think that's a great question, particularly as a lot of people right now are looking at blockchain and looking at crypto, and they're asking themselves if they should make the leap. And I think, right off the bat, it's important to note, that this is a daunting task from the outside. It looks scary, but I do want to remind everyone, that people from all tiers of the career ecosystem, high finance executives down to other, tech salaried employees, everyone is making a jump of some sort, and people are very curious about joining the ecosystem. And the reason is that it is still very early. So if you build something of impact here, you will immediately impact other people's lives who use your product. And on top of that, you may also really seriously change your own financial situation if what you build is materially useful to others. So you've got people, building things like, ways to get paid faster before your paycheck is even due, other ways to make sure that, artists, musicians can actually get royalties after they've made the sale, as well as, items that I work on around blockchain gaming, where basically people are working in this field of digital labor, where you can get paid for doing something that maybe isn't quite, along the beaten path. So there's so much opportunity, there's so many different things that a new developer can explore in the space. And so I would really encourage people to stick with it. It is not too daunting. You absolutely can do it 100% of the time. And I think you can nail it.
Well, thank you so much, Sam. That was very helpful and informative. We really appreciate that. If you'd like to learn more about Sam, I've put a link in the description below, which is an article which was recently written about him. Thanks. See you next time.